Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're joining for the first time, my name is Harrison and I'm happy to have you. Guys, remember, always hit that thumbs up icon to show that you like the video. Leave me a comment, and if you have not subscribed yet, subscribe to the channel. So today we will be looking at possessive nouns. In our last lesson, we looked at possessive pronouns. So we're going the other route today and we're looking at nouns. Remember, to possess means that you own something or something belongs to you. Possessive nouns show possession, or they show that something belongs to a person, a place, an animal, or a thing. Remember that nouns are the names of people, places, animals, and things. So if these persons, places, animals, or things own something, then we use a possessive pronoun to show this. Now, in order to show possession, we need to add an apostrophe S. So this little punctuation mark here is an apostrophe. Say that with me. Apostrophe. So we use apostrophe S to show ownership. By the way, today we are only looking at singular possessive noun. So we have singular and we have plural possessive nouns, but today we're only looking at the singular ones. In another lesson, we will be looking at the plural ones. So let's continue. So to show possession, we simply add an apostrophe S at the end of the noun, even if the noun ends with an S or SS. So even if the last letter in the noun is an S, when it's singular possessive nouns, we are also adding an apostrophe S at the end. Let's look at some sentences. The first one says, the blank leg was broken in the accident. Whose leg was broken? It's the cyclist. So in the accident, the cyclist's leg was broken. How do we show possession there? We need to write the word cyclist. So let us write CYCLIST. And then to that, we're putting our apostrophe S. Let me use another ink. So apostrophe S. So the cyclist's leg was broken in the accident. So simply write back the word cyclist, then add your apostrophe and the S. Let's go to number 2. The blank face was wet with tears. Whose face was wet with tears? It's the baby. So how do we show possessiveness for that? We need to write back the word baby, B-A-B-Y. And then we're adding the apostrophe S. Remember, it's singular, so it is one baby. So the baby's face was wet with tears. One baby. So we're not troubling this Y. Let's go to 3. This drawing is a blank work. Whose work is this? Who did this drawing? It's a pupil. So we need to write back the word pupil, P-U-P-I-L. And by now you know at the end of that, we put an apostrophe S. So this drawing is a pupil's work. Number 4, blank class was the best. Whose class was the best? It's Mrs. Harris. So how do we show that? Let's write back Mrs. Harris. Mrs. Harris. It ends with an S, but we're still adding an apostrophe S. Mrs. Harris's class was the best. Mrs. Harris's class was the best. So in this case, it is pronounced as if it's an S-E-S, but no, it's an apostrophe S because we're showing possession. Last one. They use the blank wool to make a jacket. What did they use to make? Whose wool did they use to make the jacket? The sheep. Sheep. One sheep. Now all we need to do is write back the word sheep and then or apostrophe S. Now, this is the only time we say sheeps because sheep does not pluralize with an S. It's one sheep. It's 1,000,000 sheep. However, if we're showing that these sheep or this sheep own something, we have to put our apostrophe S, and in this case it says sheeps. So the only time we're saying sheeps is when we're showing possession. So let's go through again. The cyclist's leg. What belongs to the cyclist? It's his leg. So the cyclist's leg. Number 2, the baby's face. What belongs to the baby? It's his face. So the baby's face. Next, the drawing is a pupil's work. What belongs to the pupil? It's the drawing, but it is his work. So what is the work that he did? It's a drawing, but it's the pupil's work. The work belongs to the pupil. Mrs. Harris's class was the best. What belongs to Mrs. Harris? It's the class. Mrs. Harris's class. They use the sheep's wool. What belongs to the sheep? It's the wool. So we're showing ownership. We are showing that these persons or this animal owns something or something belong to them. Remember, it's singular possessive noun. So all we're doing is putting an apostrophe S at the end of the noun to show the possession. That's it for today. I'll see you in our next lesson when we will be looking at plural possessive nouns. Remember to like, share, and leave me a comment at the end of watching this video. I'll see you soon. Bye.